welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be some hairstyles that I thought would be easy and convenient with short hair, since I have short hair now, even if they're great for going to the mall, going shopping, back to school, anything like that. So I thought I'd give a little hairstyle for any of you who have short hair and needed some quick hairstyle ideas, thinking like, oh, my hair's too short, I can't do anything. You're wrong, girl. I got your back. So, no further ado, let's get into this video. So, the first one I like to do, it's my simple go-to, is just your quick braid. So, we're going to just throw braid in here. Okay. So, once you have your braid done, you can just pin it back if you like this. But I'm going to give it a little bit of extra volume and pull some pieces out. And then start pulling. Okay, now that I have it all pulled out, I'm going to take it and I'm going to wrap it underneath my hair. And I'm just going to pin it. And that's look number one. So for look number two, we're going to put a braid on this side and attach it under and make it a nice wraparound braid. Next, you're going to get a bobby pin. And you're going to place the bobby pin in, and you're going to start pulling some pieces. This is how you make your braid a lot fuller and thicker. Alright, and now I'm going to tuck it under, and I'm going to pin it. And then I like to let this hair fall over it, so then I have two braids. So this is look number two. On to look number three. Number three, I like to get it half of my hair up out of my face. So I like to take it and I like to meet up in the corner to about back of my head. So I like to meet up like that. So you're going to take all the crown of your root of your hair, and if you have thick hair like me, you might want to pick up more hair, which is totally fine. Which I'm doing now, just a little bit of extra hair. You put an elastic band in, but do you notice how my elastic band isn't tight down here, like tight to my head? I have it up and loose. Because I like to tighten it so that my ponytail is top of my head. So this is look number three. Alright, next for look number four. I'm going to leave my bangs out. I'm going to take half of my hair, twist it back, and I'm going to take a bobby pin, secure it in the back of my head like that. You could keep it like that, or you could take it and twist it back like this and secure it. And this is look number four. Alright, for the next look, it's kind of similar, pin back, easy going, but I'm going to haul back my hair, take any pieces that I want out to accentuate my face, and I'm going to, so I have all my hair that I want, I'm just going to put in a pony. And honestly, you could put a scrunchie on over top of that. Nobody will know the difference if you have thick hair like myself. And then that makes the cute hair look with a scrunchie. So this next look is a braid on the back of your head. You're going to begin by taking half of your hair on the top of your head and begin braiding all the way down, and then secure it with an elastic band. And this is the next look. So that is everything for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys have short hair, please comment short hair in the comment section. Because I'd like to see who else has short hair. and see what kind of updos they do. So please comment short hair if you guys also have short hair. Give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next week. See you guys!